I know. I already did a video about rotifers. And to be honest, I have an enormous backlog of footage with some other really interesting specimens just waiting for their turn in the editor. Still, these rotifers are possibly my favorite microbes, and when I found a healthy population in my pond, I was thrilled and wanted to share these magical creatures with everyone who will listen. And look, here you are. Notommata rotifers are a genus in the family Notommatidae. As a genus, they tend to share some traits, although there are exceptions. In general, they are found near the shores of bodies of water. These were found in a sample taken around the periphery of the pond on my property. They can be distinguished by their distinct asymmetrical trophy. To me, the trophy looks like dragon horns on these guys. Their corona is an elongated oval with short cilia, as you can see here. They also have two projecting auricles with long cilia that create a powerful current they use primarily for swimming. I used thick, homemade well slides to be able to observe their movement and activities as naturally as possible. I was thrilled to see them spinning through the water with their auricles out. So alien and graceful. The foot has two short toes that they use to secure themselves. They have a single cervical eye spot, which is red in my species here. They are also quite large for rotifers, with most of the genus being 300 micrometers or above. It isn't possible to identify these rotifers to the species level without obtaining the trophy, but their visible traits seem to be most consistent with Notommata allantois. Notommata species tend to have a constriction, or neck, behind the mastics. Maybe this is what helps them appear so much like the tiny animals that they are, with their distinct head and body. This genus is nearly cosmopolitan, meaning they are spread in appropriate habitats all over the world. I have seen other species of Notommata rotifers from local samples, and they are always wondrous, colorful, relatively large rotifers that are intriguing to watch. Look at these two. They do have a central nervous system, which makes you wonder, what kind of processing are they doing when they come in contact with each other? This interaction was so interesting to witness. I'm sure you can tell by now that my enthusiasm for Notommata rotifers, and really for rotifers in general, is inexhaustible. I hope this little glimpse into their world has sparked a love for these tiny creatures in you too. My name is Pipyr, and I'm making these videos to share my excitement as I learn about the magical microscopic world. Really, it saves my friends and family from drowning in microbe facts every time they're near me. If this interests you, please like and subscribe to follow along. See you next time, and thanks so much for watching.